Bridal Hijab tutorial with earrings.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Miss Sara back with another wedding hijab tutorial with earrings. In this, the first step is to just take the knot and make sure to tie it on the hijab, not under your hijab, as you can see in the video. And the next step is to just take the remaining part of your hijab and wrap around your head like this as shown in the video. You can wear your earrings very aram se, and don't forget to take your luxury bridal hijab to give it a really beautiful and elegant look. This tutorial is very easy and gives you really beautiful look. Adjust the hijab accordingly to give it the proper coverage back and front. That's it, you're done. Please save and follow for more. Thank you. Allah.